Okay, so we're almost done here, Sean. I just have a couple basic last questions.
Sure.
One of them that I genuinely I'm actually trying to figure this out myself because I've never been able to figure this out. And this is kind of a broader question, but how do you guys price high level so well? Because I'm always looking at the competitors. I'm always looking at everything. I've noticed like for what you get, it almost seems too good to be true. When you really look at everything, like when you really break it down, Sean, you're okay. Then you get this, and that.
Yeah.
How do you guys offer the plans? Like what is behind, like I'm just curious because it's like,
well, okay, this is a really great question. So a long time ago, we made a really conscious decision to be less selfish.
The GoHighLevel gurus would have you believe three things. 1, $297 gets you unlimited. 2, it's all in one, so your channels are all included. And 3, $497 makes you a software company. Let's read their own pricing page. Start with unlimited. On the $297 plan, 3 things are unlimited: sub-accounts, contacts, and users. That's it. But nearly everything you actually do inside each sub-account is metered. AI employee, $97 a month per sub-account, not per agency. Got 10 clients? That's $970 a month in AI fees alone. So effectively, there's a second billing system, and it's called the agency wallet. Every SMS, every email, every AI action draws it down. And when it drops below your minimum, GoHighLevel charges your card automatically, no approval, no email. That's their documentation. That's a fact. So you're paying a subscription and you're paying a meter. 2 bills, not one, on unlimited. Then I found this one, WhatsApp. It's on their features page, but it's actually not included. You need to pay an extra $10 a month per sub-account, and you pay per message charges on top. Why would they charge $10 a month per sub-account to add a product that is free? You're paying a monthly fee per client for permission to connect to it. And the software company, SaaS Pro, it's $497 a month. But the branded mobile app is actually a separate product. You have to be on Pro first, and then you pay $497 again. That's $994 a month, and their own FAQ says you can't customize it. There is a better way. Own your CRM, stop renting. Let me show you how. Now, just before we move on, GoHighLevel is not a bad product. It's just incredibly overpriced, and it is designed to lock you in for as long as possible, and it does an exceptional job of it. All right, this is LeadStack, and you can find it at leadstack.dev. And basically, it does everything the leading CRMs do, except there is no subscription. It is $0 a month. You own it, you don't rent it. Now, if you scroll right to the bottom and click on LeadStack versus GoHighLevel, scroll down a bit, and you can see all of the features listed out here. Now, I'm not going to run through them all because every agency is sort of looking for something else, but this is an excellent resource if you want to check what LeadStack has versus GoHighLevel. All right, to get set up is super easy, and there's 3 tools you need. 2 are free. So you need a GitHub account, you need VS Code, and you need Claude Code. Now, I use the Claude Code extension for VS Code. If you don't have it already, pretty easy. Just head over to extensions, type in Claude Code for VS Code, and just install it. Now, once you've done that, you get access to this panel over in the right, and all you need to do once you've got that is just check you're running Opus 5, which you can see I'm running here. You can do that by doing /model. And now this next step, once you've actually purchased LeadStack and you have access to the code base, in the terminal down here, you just add this command. I won't read it out, but that is the command you enter in. You hit enter, and that entire code base gets copied across to your local machine, and then you are set to work through the steps one by one to get set up. Now, this is where Claude really steps in, because Claude will take you through the setup. There is nothing you need to do except for configuration. So over in the chat, just enter in, help me set up my CRM, hit enter, and just work through it step by step. Now, if you're thinking, yeah, right, it's not that easy, well, head over to youneed.best and have a look at the reviews that have been posted. Now, some of the people that use it have had that same thought. It sounds a bit intimidating. I don't know if I can do this, but they've all worked through it. They've got the system up and running, and it does exactly what it says on the tin. And at the moment, there are LeadStack users in 22 countries, in 116 cities, across 5 continents. Now, once you have got it set up, you're going to jump in here and you're going to give it your own name. So it's your CRM, your brand, your logo, your colors. You just work through that branding section. You can also give the mobile app an icon. If you need a bit of help as the agency owner, up in this top section here, you can click on the agency assistant. There's some examples of what it can do, but you can ask the agency assistant to help you with those agency level tasks. Now, at the sub account level, we can go to sub accounts here and we can select a sub account. So I could go to this one, open it up, then you get the dashboard. Now, I'm not going to run through all this, but you can see some fairly familiar menu items. I'll link a video at the end if you want to have a look at some of the detail of this functionality. The $0 a month isn't a trick, and this is the actual bill. So to keep in mind here that the infrastructure that big platforms rent to you and mark up is free at the scale most agencies actually run at. So for database and auth, the free tier is $0 a month for most small agencies. Same with the hosting, $0 a month. For GitHub, it's free, VS Code is free, and resend for your email, the first 3,000 emails every month are free. So your bill is $0 a month. And when you do outgrow the free tier, you pay the provider directly at cost. There is no markup, there's no per seat, there's no per sub account. All right, so I've just spun up an Android mobile emulator here that I can show on the desktop for the functionality of the LeadStack app. So I've just installed it here so we can open it up. All right, so it's opened up in the sub accounts. As the admin, I can see all of the sub accounts. We can manage the sub account or we can go and have a look at it. So I'll just open up Pipedrive here. So you can see the dashboard. Down the bottom, you've got your inbox. This has push notifications, so you will get your WhatsApp, your web chat messages, and your SMS coming in. You've also got a list of your contacts and also your pipeline, so your full Kanban. And you don't have to take my word for it. Over in the Ambitious AI School community, I did a post a couple of weeks ago just to announce that the app was available and it could be used, and it would be available free for the time being with a purchase of LeadStack. I got some really good feedback, including this post from Steve here, who says, I've been using it on iPhone Safari for about a week. It's working great. Push notifications and in-app replies solve a real pain point for service providers. So if you get LeadStack, make sure you set up the mobile as well, because super handy, and it doesn't cost $994 a month, which is outrageous. Now, if you've watched this far, you might want to learn more. So if you do, check out this webinar. I will put a link in the description. It's totally free and it's instant on demand. So you just register and watch it. If you'd like to see some of the other functionality that I've done in other YouTube videos, watch this one here first.